Hello, I'm Carolina from Momjo. Welcome to our latest unboxing. Today, and this has been a long time in the making, I am unboxing my brand new Fitbit Inspire 2 fitness tracker. I recently got my hands on an analog watch, which means that I'm gonna look like a crazy person if I wear my Versa Fitbit with the analog watch together. Two screens, a little too much. So I decided to go for the slimmer, sleeker version of a fitness tracker. I've never tried an Inspire before. I'm really looking forward to opening it up and seeing what's in there. If we've never met before and you're new to this channel, feel free to press the subscribe button. We'd love to have your support. If you're excited to see what's inside this nifty little box, please give this video a thumbs up and let's get on to the unboxing. Guys, I've had this for 3 weeks in the box. Just can't do it anymore. Let's go. Okay, so small, sweet packaging, right? Not bad, pretty sleek. I chose the bone white color. They have it in black. They had other options like a pinky color. I just think this would go with most of my clothes. And you can always just change the strap if I get bored of it. Okay. I always mess boxes up. I cannot just do a clean open. Ooh, there's the Fitbit sign. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is the actual tracker. Oh, cute. Loving the color. It's like, I don't know if you can see it properly. It's like an off-white. Super cute. Very versatile. I feel like this can definitely go with this outfit, with my new watch. I'm gonna wear it on the other hand. I'm a lefty, so I'm wearing my wristwatch on the dominant hand. I'm gonna wear this one on the non-dominant. I hope the tracking is just as good. I'm just unboxing today. I'm gonna get back to you about this little guy later after I try it for a few days and I'll give you a more comprehensive review. Okay, welcome to the Fitbit family. Download the app, I got it. Have an account, up into the account setup, blah, blah, blah. Okay, easy. All right, I'm gonna remove the plastic. So cute, guys. This is adorable. It has the same sensor that the Versa has. So you can see there's the 3 little dots. I don't know if you can see them. It's the same heart rate sensor. I love me a good heart rate sensor. I wear it for working out. I wear it every day. I even wear it for sleeping because I love the idea of knowing what my resting heart rate is. It's such a good indicator of heart health and stress levels. The lower the resting heart rate, the healthier you are. Okay, I kind of feel weird putting it on, oh, gosh, that's bizarre. I used to always wear my Versa on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in. So here's my tracker. It's kind of cool. It looks like a nice bracelet, I would say. I'm gonna have to get used to wearing this every day. It's not my watch, but it's not a bracelet. It's a very different reality for me from the smartwatch experience that I once had. Okay, how do you turn this on? Oh, there it is. You see, there's happy face. Cutie. Okay, I feel some vibrations. Starting out, it says, update the Fitbit app. Okay, easy enough. Okay, surprise, surprise, you guys. I actually managed to set it up. It took a little longer than expected because I think the process was just longer and I'm very, very anxious. So the connectivity with my phone seemed to be okay. It just seemed to me like it took a little too long. But I got it done and everything is working like a charm. Yes. Let's talk a little bit about the material. Beautiful, rubbery, soft feel to it. The actual tracker itself, small, sleek, shiny. I hope I don't break it. Beautiful sort of 3D bevel vibe at the top. Apparently you do a lot of tapping around and touching the sides to turn it on for time. I'm not gonna use it for the time because I got my time here. but I'm very, very excited to finally have it. The box also includes, what? It brings a second strap. I guess for smaller people? If you're tinier than me, and I have a very thin wrist, like not thin, but tiny. Do you also open your baggies like this? Are you too eager to get scissors? If you are, give me a thumbs up. I can't be the only pig out there in this world. Okay. Oh, this is like a replacement. Oh, maybe this is a longer strap. I'm confused. Regardless, I don't really need it. This is great. And this is the charger. You connect it to any plug in the wall, to your computer, to any USB outlet. This magnetically attaches to the back of the screen. And what I love about Fitbit is the fact that there's a lot of versatility. You can take this watch, you can remove the strap very easily and attach it to any other color. There's so many colors, there's so much variety, both in the Fitbit website and also on Amazon, that I can't wait to wear this one for a while and then start trying out new colors. Also love the fact that apparently there's a clip container that you can get for this guy. So if one day I'm going to a party, I don't really want to wear the bulkier edition of my Fitbit tracker, I can actually just remove the middle, put it in a clip, hook it from my pants, no one can see it, and I can still track my steps and my life. Ooh, I love the fact that it includes a 1-year premium trial of Fitbit Premium. I've tried it before. It's pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'd pay for it, honestly, but the fact that it's for 1 year and that it helps to motivate me more and it gives me better insights into my stats, I absolutely love. It's a nice little bonus. What do I use this Fitbit tracker for? I track my HR, I wear it during exercise, I count my steps, I track my period with the app, which I absolutely love. It kind of like makes things a lot more predictable as a woman. What else? I do everything with it. So be patient with me, guys. I'm gonna get back to you in a couple of weeks to tell you how the different functions of the Fitbit Inspire 2 work. In the meantime, if you enjoyed unboxing this tiny, beautiful jewel with me, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to Momjo and to our community, welcome, nice to meet you. Please subscribe to our channel to support our work. And if you wanna follow us on social media to see what we're up to outside of YouTube, you can do so at Finding Momjo. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Peace.